Sunglasses reflections. What we are doing today. Here is my example so you can see what we are doing today. Sunglasses reflections. Here is a step-by-step to help you draw a face. Okay boys, now this is a face, well it will be a face, so I'm just started with the basic guidelines and I just want to show you proportions. So proportions is how big something is in relation to other things on this paper, okay? So your head is going to be shaped like an egg. So if I turn this upside down, this looks like an egg. This is the head, okay? So a face is not usually round. This is the general guideline for how to draw a face, okay? There are varying face shapes, but this is a general guideline to help you. So this is the egg. Then something very important is we are going to draw a line halfway down our paper. Okay, so measure with your fingers halfway and halfway and see if those line up. That is going to be where your eyes go. Okay, so your eyes are halfway down your head. Now your guidelines you draw in very lightly, please boys, because we need to be able to rub them out. So your eyes will be on the halfway mark. So I put a little half here to help you. That's where your eyes are. So let me write eyes. Then we are going to go halfway down between where the eyes are and the chin. And that is where your nose is going to go. Okay, so this line here is for your nose. It's a quarter of the way down the face because you break it down 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a quarter. That's where your nose will go. Now, that is your eyes on the halfway mark, your nose on the quarter mark. Now, where our nose is, between our nose and our chin, we need to put the mouth. So I've made 3 lines, 1, 2, and then obviously down here will be the third one. And that will break it down into 3 equal parts. And your mouth will be over here on the third closest to the nose. Okay, so this will be your mouth. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a line down the center of my person. Remember, don't do your guiding lines too dark because you need to rub them out. And our nose, remember, is going to be on this quarter here. So I've made little guidelines. You can follow the guidelines in the general folder to give you more instruction on and where you should put everything. So our nose is going to be on here. So I'm just going to just draw basic shapes here quickly, just so you know. So our nose will be here. And obviously you can fix up the shapes as you go along. So our nose will be here. And then please remember that a nose is not a triangle. Noses are kind of funny shapes, but they come from down up here. And they form this sort of shape at the bottom. Okay, so that's enough for the nose for now, just so you can see where it's supposed to go. And then your lips. So your lips are going to go on this line down here. So, and remember, a lip is not just a circle or an oval. Lips will go upward like this and have a dip in the middle here. All right. We're not really going to be focusing on details today. I just want you to get your facial features in the right places. Okay. Our lips go fatter and then go to thinner here like that. Okay, these are some basic shapes just to show you where everything is supposed to go. Remember, today we don't have to do the eyes because we're doing the sunglasses on our person. All right. So once you've done that, that's wonderful. And then we can obviously add in our hair and our ears and things. With your ears will go from the level of your eye to the level of your nose. Okay, so ears are a lot bigger than we usually think they are. Your ears will be about that big coming this way. Okay, so this is just a basic sketch just to show you where everything is supposed to go. Obviously you can look at the guideline in the general folder. The point of the lesson today is not really the face. We're learning about reflection, but it's really, really good to know these different proportions when we're drawing. Once you've done the shape of your head, your ears, nose and mouth, you need to colour in the face of your person, please. You may use whatever colours you have available at home. Because the point of this exercise is the reflection, you can make the face as detailed as you'd like. Time to do the sunglasses. You can choose the style of sunglasses that you like. Here are some examples to help you. Examples of reflection. You've probably seen reflections in someone's glasses before. Here are some examples for you. So these are my sunglasses. I'm going to cut them out now. Now that I have cut out my sunglasses, it's time for me to stick them on to my person. So this is what we're doing today, boys. It looks like she is looking down at the sand with some seashells on it. I've done the beach because I'm dreaming of being at the beach at the moment in this cold weather. So you can do whatever reflection you'd like. You can do a landscape. You can do any of the examples in the general folder. Here they are again, just to remind you. Okay, boys, have a wonderful day. Enjoy the lesson, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your work.